Here's how to install the Comcast Xfinity XFI or Fi app. You first go to the application store here, the App Store on the Apple iPhone. And here you can put in the XFI app. And you'll see here listed is Xfinity XFI right here. Of course, they put some garbage above it. You don't want Robot Killer. Here is the Xfinity Fi app. I already have it in here, so I'm going to update it. And off it goes. So that is how to find and upload the Xfinity XFI. I guess they call it Fi app or something. This app is necessary for controlling your Xfinity gateway. And to install your gateway, you want to first put this app in your phone and log into it.